How's it going, everyone, and welcome to another Market Watch video. As planned yesterday, we went in and bought a bunch of players. Whoever follows my journal by now and went in the same strategy as myself is probably making loads of coins. We have bought a few informs, a Plytech Evian method, and some screen cards that picked up in value today. The trading strategy, as shown on this graph, with the Gold 100 index, is applied before the squad battle rewards and then sold the next day. The thing is that a lot of people gain coins from squad battle rewards, and this makes players in demand go up in value. Sunday buy day is really profitable. The screen cards will possibly go down again today if no SBC will drop. That's when you can pick some cards up and resell in the upcoming hype tomorrow. There's still people waiting for some SBCs to drop, which makes most of these cards go up in value during the day. You can exploit these drops to your advantage. The ones to watch market is too cheap in my opinion. The fact that some of these cards perform really well but in the past week didn't react much to their lineup announcement, this probably caused a higher supply on the market and further push down in price. I do think, however, if one of these cards has a good game, you'd be good to sell it in the hype. As we're approaching the Black Friday period, these cards should also be affected, even if less than others. They should still be pushed down a bit in value. Since the market will soon get into the Black Friday hype, I suggest you guys don't pick up any higher priced informs. They could go up in value next week, but as soon as bigger YouTubers start doing videos about that, they should be going down in the hype. I suggest you guys take a look at the cards that go for discard value and could be profitable with the upcoming SBCs. A really interesting inform is the Brazilian Ajax inform, which could be required in some icons SBCs, as some have been playing for Ajax. Another interesting card is Otamendi, who in my opinion is inflated already. I do think that the hype might push him a bit higher, but in my book he's not worth the risk at this stage, as he's still supplied, and if Sane wins Player of the Month, I don't think he will be needed. A card that's fairly cheap is Bernardo Silva. He's Man City and BPL. I can see this card rise over 4K pretty soon again, so if you don't have a lot of coins, you can buy a few of his cards. I also suggest you guys stock up to 84 and 83 rated players. Buy just one version of the cheapest one that go for 2K value or less and store them in your club for future potential SBCs. You don't want to pile up your trade pile, that's why it's smart to just store one version of each in your club. I'm also looking to pick up an Inform Moi, as he could repeat the same patterns Alessandrini did. I do think his card would be good to pick up on Wednesday if the pattern from the previous team of the week repeat itself. He will be good to pick up then. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll soon release an explanation about my journal situation. Please feel free to subscribe if you're new, and if you have any further questions, make sure to drop on my daily streams on Twitch at 5:30 PM UK time.